Well, a little update for you guys. Noble 7 over here has got some flashing lights. Haven't gotten around to that leak yet. You can hear. That comes later. Notice the ECM's all cleaned up. I pulled it from a wreck, hot swapped it in. Nothing else, nothing more. Still running great though. Just as later. New hood. Rattle can on the side there, just because it made it look a little better. And on the roof. Did that because the rust was getting bad. My light bar got slapped back on, as you saw in the video. The door got a little touched up. Again, I just rattle canned it quickly, stop the rust. Trunk lid not replaced yet, debating on it. Stickers removed. Put down with a little isopropyl. Oh, and center caps. Managed to find the right hubcaps and the actually no, lug nuts I had to find. I already had the hubcaps. The unlock while I'm at it. And trunk release. Found out why my cabin light doesn't work. The bulb's gone. Got that nice LED going on over there. She's come a long way. If you haven't noticed, she's got a cage. It's not installed. Oh, and the center console's in. And new carpet. So remember, it was thrashed. This one came out of an older Grand Marquis, exact same color. Seats are the same. Had to get a whole bunch of headlights because these things kept on breaking and they were the wrong style. New front plate bracket. That's holding up the cage right now. It's not bolted in. But I wanted to have a Crown Vic look, and I found the seats. I'm debating if I want to grab them. The car is partially crushed. I gotta bring the Sawzall. As for the trunk, we got some goodies going on. Besides these wraparound brackets, which I don't have the front for, we have the slide-out tray, which came out of a Chesterfield unit. These things I've had stored for a while, as you can tell by the moving tags. And this I found, luckily. I had to cut the trunk out, which is where I might grab the seats from. But yeah, that's pretty dang good. I also found some sound deadening, which I'm debating on putting up there, but maybe not. Turn off the spotlight. Gotta put the foam pieces back in. Found a stock rig which has working lights, which is pretty nice. As you all remember, the mileage got fixed. I'm still fighting with the airbag and the brake light and the ABS. I might have to do a lot of work for an ABS swap on this thing, but we will find out. Not wired in yet. Antenna wires right there. But yeah, so far she's come a long way. I gotta figure out what's up with that airbag light. That'll come later. Oh yeah, new dome light. Came out for 2011, I think. This thing won't push in anymore. I gotta find out why. Also, I found a shift lock cylinder, which they just gave me. Said, I don't know what it's worth, and just threw it at me. Here you go. But yeah, so far so good. You can see how it works. Just like that. But yeah, we'll get that installed later on. I gotta pop off this airbag, pop off the wheel. Cruise control does work, which is fascinating. Still have this broken wrong car antenna. I mean, not antenna. They call a damn thing. windshield wiper. Reverse right now, and we're going to close this door. Or not. Oh, yeah, close. Come on, girl. Close for me. Anyone behind me? Nope. Yay! Debating on one of these models, I want to put a Crown Vic dash in here. Meantime, I'm going to move this one around. There's Moby Dick over there. Main reason of, if they see the car moving, they're not going to complain. So I move it around the parking lot every now and then, so they can't say, hey, the car hasn't moved in days, yada, yada, yada. We're going to put it over here next to the Govey. And again, they can't say shit about, hey, the car's not moving. One thing about this one, let's see. I'll take one of those little G-Tacs I have and throw it in here. Put an air freshener because this thing needs a good smell about now. And it's not the correct year, but here's an 05 Crown Vic police package book. Car's coming a long way from what it was when I first got it. Debating what her future is going to be. Am I going to keep her or am I going to sell her? We shall see. Anyway, thanks for watching. We'll see what happens with her next. Definitely got to clean those wheels up. A side note, do you know how fucking weird it is to go from one Ford to another just that fast? I got really confused when I sat back down in my F-150 over here. I'm like, what the fuck? Because I'm sitting taller and the steering wheel's black. It's just a weird feeling out of nowhere. Alright, goodbye.